Hello guys, and welcome to another vlog. So right now we're heading to Westfield Santa Anita Mall. It's located at Arcadia, California, and it's my first time going there, so I don't really know what to expect. So we're gonna bring you with us to this trip, and we'll see what we'll find there. I don't think there's a long wait time. Never mind, I see a lot of people in line. Nah, it's too long. It's okay. So, I knew it's gonna be that long. Okay. I knew it's gonna be that long. So, trying to figure out where to eat. Oh yeah? I want to get this thing. I don't know. Wait, what do you mean? Trying to figure out where to eat. And also we're just doing some rounds, checking out the place. It is a big mall, so it is my first time being here, so just want to see what's up with this place and see if it's a good place to hang out when I guess whenever I get a chance to. So we'll see. We shall see what they have here. Here, let me show you. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, definitely. We just ask customers to put on the mask before they come.
Oh, okay.
And we actually had a customer fight in the store before.
Sounds good. Thank you.
If you have questions, let me know. We do have 25% off the fall event, so anytime you do look at it, we'll have 25% off your ticket price.
Sounds good. Thank you. What about this one right here?
It's kind of like this one, but it doesn't have the chains, and it's like more round. Yeah, I haven't seen it, and I was like, oh, I'll double check for you.
Not bad, 158.
I had it.
And then they have like a 25% off.
Yeah, not bad.
Parang gusto kong kunin.
Yeah, kunin mo na. Would she like the plain black one or?
I want, well, she said black.
Yeah, I know. This is so cute.
But it's parang napaka-simple. I want something like, I don't know.
Want a bigger one? Like that one?
No,
Or,
it's kind of like, let's say, this, but in black.
oh, I don't think they have that. It's either this or that, or the plain glass. These are the patterns of that they have right now.
The one they have is all round.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah,
All
it's not
round.
like
Yeah,
this.
they don't have that. Yeah, no.
I don't know.
I forgot what one. Yeah.
I'm so tempted with that one.
What? Which one? Oh, this brown one?
This one?
Yeah. And I think I like this yung ganyan.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
this one's actually one of our biggest wallet. Has the most compartment. It does have the wristlet that's detachable.
Oh,
And
okay.
if you don't want to use it, you can take off the wristlet as well.
Okay.
178.
Yeah.
There's a lot of compartments here, right?
Yeah, but she likes black.
You like black? You guys have this in black?
So this particular model, we can order it for you. Black one are sold out, but it does have this 3 color, and this 3 on the bottom is the same silhouette, same back as well. So they're great price, definitely.
What's the regular price?
So regular price is about 300-ish. Yeah.
I'm in love with this right now.
Get it. What's been popular? What color?
So, I mean, of course, actually all of them do well. We have customers, of course, the black one, the plain black one goes really fast. The yellow one, if you want a little bit pop of color, or that one do really well as well.
And these are 129 right now.
Yeah.
Correct.
I think I'm gonna get it.
I want to get this. Can you check inside?
Yeah, look. Has this compartment. Cute.
It's definitely a great everyday size.
Mm-hmm. Do we get something off if we get another one?
I'll go check what we have.
But definitely getting this. And
So these are for sure?
yeah.
Okay, got it. I'll get you a new one.
What do you recommend for what's been selling a lot lately? Just the black one?
Yeah, mainly black, cause like a lot of people have been telling me because of the winter season, and this is like more like a summer spring. Yeah, that's what everyone's been going with. So I personally like black. I feel like black goes with everything. Yeah.
It's okay if I like document.
Oh yeah,
stuff.
of course, of course.
I just want to make sure. Alright, so I got a certain someone a gift that I guess it's well deserved. So it's right here. And you guys will never know who it was going to be for, so
Keep them guessing.
yeah, I'm gonna keep them guessing exactly.
Keep them on their toes.
That's right. So it wasn't planned, but I fell in love with it, so I want to get it. And my partner here is actually getting one too.
Get the black one.
The black one, you got it.
You have a new one? Black and the black one.
I do, yes.
He's gonna go ahead and double check, but I did get you a new one. Was it just gonna be one of these today?
Yeah, that's for him. This is separate.
Okay, got it. He's gonna double check.
That's a good deal. It used to be 300 and now it's
Yeah, they really want it. I'll go ahead and figure it out. Is that gonna be all for you guys today?
Yes.
Wanna look at anything else?
That'll be it.
I'll go ahead and help you guys out over here.
Thank you. Should I bring this? Should I take this with me?
What was that?
Oh, should I take this? Oh, okay. I was like, okay.
So that's the one.
So you wanted the monogram and the wallet ring just separate? Or
No,
together?
all together.
All together?
Yes.
And can I get a gift receipt with that? her in the back. All right, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, right. They kind of have a little bit for everything. And then for your AirPod. Yeah, this is our AirPod holder.
Oh wow,
Cute.
pretty nice.
Like before, we have a little like we sold out. We don't make it anymore. Before we have a little sanitizer holder.
Oh yeah? I think we found it. Yeah. They're hiring. Hello.
So what time?
8:30.
8:30? Oh, okay. Want to eat outside? I want to eat.
Okay, so we are at the Joy's Kitchen at the Santa Clarita. Is it Santa Clarita? What's Santa what now? Santa Anita Mall. We're at Joy's Kitchen and we're trying some of their foods. These are the menu. And I'm going for the braised pork belly. I want to see what that tastes like. It tastes, I mean, it looks good, I guess, on the website. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna do a little food vlog for you guys. So hopefully you guys will like it, and we'll let you know what it tastes like. It smells sweet.
And the sauce, maybe.
Yeah, I think it has peanut butter.
Allergic to that?
No, but it's interesting to try. So
You should have tried noodles straight now.
yeah, it's okay. I'm Filipino, man. Try anything except for seafood. No seafood for Bao. Moi. No seafood.
Talaga? No shrimp?
No.
Steak or what?
Yeah, I guess. But I'll eat tuna and milkfish, but I won't eat the rest. Or even I don't eat shrimp. I don't eat lobster, crabs, and all that. So you better not invite me to boiling crab and all that, cause yeah, ain't gonna end up well. I mean, I do have meat, but yeah, it's not really my
Not
thing.
boiling crab, boiling point.
No, I mean like boiling point, boiling crab, they're all seafood, right? No?
Meat.
Oh, okay. As long as there's meat, I'm good. Yeah. So this is, what is this? Wonton pork?
Pork wonton.
Pork wonton, and she likes it with rice. I have the pork braised, whatever this is. So we're gonna try it and then we'll let you know what it tastes like. Taste test.
I really like it like this. I think
Oh, Filipino, so you know, we gotta eat everything with rice.
try your thing too.
Sige ate, please, do so. Take us as much as you want.
Tayong dinidictate din, no?
I know.
Kami din ni Ryan.
This is our first date since I got here. I mean, like since, because when I first got here in America, we went to LA. And yeah, so I'm gonna try the food right now. So I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 10.
Lasang Chinese.
It's true. It does taste like Chinese. Well,
Huh?
it is Chinese.
Chinese to Chinese.
I like it. It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
I mean, like if I have to rate it from 1 to 10, I'll probably give it a 9.5.
Wow.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. You know, you can't go wrong with like, I guess, pork. So I like it. But what about the wonton? Pork wontons. I'm gonna try right now.
I think it's pork shrimp.
I'm just kidding. It's good. I like it. Flavor is good, and I'm gonna try with rice because you know I'm Filipino. So when you're Filipino, you gotta eat everything with rice. So it's good. I like it.
Put it in my rice.
It's really good. I mean, like the braised pork. It's a bit of sweet. I'm pretty sure they put some nuts here or something, but it's really good.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm so good, Bayani. I took a nap. I'm really good.
Huh?
Yeah, trust me.
You want to see how good the food is? It's all gone. So, like I said, it's a 9.5. I like the food. Well, recommended. It's what was this place again? Joy's whatever. Joy's Kitchen. Well recommended. Joy's Kitchen. So the meal is almost like $31.42. Not too bad. Good meal, and like I said, Joy's Kitchen is well recommended. I like their food; it's really good. And as you can see, we finished it. So comment down below if you want to know what it looks like. If you have comments about what we ate, then yeah, good food.